Good morning guys, my name's Jason Graystone. I'm a professional investor and trader, and I'm also a co-founder of a company called Tier 1 Trading, and we run comprehensive trading programs teaching people how to trade the financial markets. After strategically replacing my income at 29 years old, myself and my family now live financially independent from my trading. I'm frequently invited to talk at industry events, and I was recently featured in Forbes magazine due to some of the innovative work that we've been doing with trader training. Learning to trade, I lost over £40,000 in the markets taking signals, courses, following people I wasn't supposed to follow. And after spending so much money, and since working with over 50,000 people in 115 countries, I found out what didn't work. I also found that there was some extremely predictable patterns in how and why people were approaching the markets, and this allowed me to identify some very common problems. The main one's money. Everyone likes money, and because of the way trading's portrayed in the media, people are naturally drawn to it because it looks like the quickest way to make millions. The second attraction is time. People are stuck climbing some corporate ladder or waiting for 3% pay increases or working for 40 plus years whilst their family home sits empty, and they want the ability to generate an income from home or whilst traveling. Lastly, they want control over their financial future. They've looked at pensions and realised there'll be more life at the end of their money, and they're worried about being financial burdens on their families, and they've looked at saving 10% of their income and realised if you do that for 40 years, you're only going to have 4 years of income left to play with. And there's a complete paradox when it comes to taking financial advice. But all of those problems are underpinned by the lack of trust in this industry. They know it's achievable, but there's so many sharks out there, and it's not surprising that they don't know who to trust. When you learn the right way, you can build a solid financial foundation, then you can learn to speculate in the markets, and you can benefit from amazing returns. It's one of the best wealth acceleration strategies on the planet. There's also no time for money correlation. You can earn as much trading for 1 hour per day as you can for 8 hours per day, which means it frees up your time to the degree where it becomes quite uncomfortable at first. But best of all, it allows you to develop a timeless skill that allows you to take full control of your financial future and provide a legacy for your family without relying on a geographical location or a boss or a partner or any other means of support. I believe everyone deserves to live an inspired life, and after transitioning from an industry that I hated to a place where I could focus on what I wanted to do, I was able to serve people at a much higher level. And when people are free and able to focus, they can contribute towards their most meaningful work. My goal is to give thousands of people time and freedom to be better human beings. I understand that trading isn't for everyone, which is why we don't sell any courses. Instead, I give you the opportunity to come and work with me and my team for 2 weeks and give you access to all of the tools, an introductory training course, the network of traders inside the platform, and what's more, you get to watch me trade my live account every day for complete transparency. There's nothing quite like being able to watch over the shoulder of a trader as a way of getting complete belief transference. And if you decide it's not for you, you walk away without any financial commitment, except for the $1 trial, which goes straight to charity, and you haven't blown any money. On the other hand, if you think, actually, I can do this, and you want to go all in, then you can start immediately and you'll get direct access to all of the courses, live rooms, 24-hour access to the platform, and you can start building your trading business around your current lifestyle. All you need to do to check out the trial is to click the link below this video, and you'll be taken straight over to our trial sign-up page where you can read a bit more about what you'll get. We've built a platform that underpins all of the common hurdles people face when learning to trade. At Tier 1, we decided that instead of focusing on how many people we could get through the door, instead we focused on getting results for the clients. Our entire reputation is based on getting results for our clients, and only when they win, we win. If you're willing to put in the work and start building your future, then I can promise you that we will hold your hand the entire way.